Hi, everybody. I am so excited for math this week because we are going to be talking about fractions. We're going to be reviewing everything we've learned about fractions. And to do that, we are going to create our own pizza place. This is a real world project that, if you grow up and you want to decide to run a pizza place, you're going to need to know about fractions. So I'm, again, so excited for this week. I hope you guys have fun with it. It's meant to be fun, not confusing or not frustrating. So again, if you have questions, please reach out. But I'm going to show you some tools on how this is going to work. By the end of this, you're going to be experts at working on Google Slides, and in the future, it'll just be that much easier to do other projects. So when you click on the link on the next slide, you're going to come up to this page. These are your pizza slides you're going to be working on for the next couple weeks. So you see my pizza place, and it says by your name here. So you are going to click and you're going to delete where it says your name here, and you're going to type your name. So it says right now, my pizza place by Miss Goffis. You can just leave the title slide how it is. Then the next one you're going to click on, this next slide, it says the plan. Your very own pizza place? You can't believe it. Let's get started. First, think of a name for your pizza place. You can be super creative with this. It's your decision. You can choose whatever you want. So, let's say, I'm going to say Miss Goffis's Great Pizzeria. Again, it doesn't have to have your name in it. It can be anything you want. It can be super great pizza. It can be best pizza around, whatever you want to name it. So again, you just click in the box and you can type. Then it says, it'll be very important to advertise, design a poster that you can put up around town. Now you see these images around here. I put in some images that you can use on your poster, or you can use other things if you want. So I'm going to teach you some tools on what you can use. So if you look right up here, it says insert. You're going to click on this, and first we'll look at images. You go to image and you go to search the web. So again, click on insert, image, and search the web. You click, and up over here on this, oops, let me go back. Image, search the web. Up over here, you can search anything you would like. So if you want a pepperoni pizza, you want to put that on your poster, you type in pepperoni pizza, there's all your pizzas. You click on the image you want. Again, only click on one at a time. So I want that one. And you hit insert. And bam, there's my pizza. In order to make it go down, to make it smaller or bigger, click right over here in this corner. See how my cursor becomes an arrow going kind of diagonal? So that way I can go bigger or I can go smaller. So again, you just click on it and drag it open bigger or drag it smaller. And then to move it on your poster, you click on the picture and you move it around. You can move it here, move it there, move it here, move it there. So again, you go to insert, image, search the web, click on whatever picture you want. I want this one now, so I'm going to click, I'm going to hit insert. Comes up right there. I'm going to go to this corner. My cursor is going to turn into a diagonal arrow. I'm going to make it smaller. Again, you click and hold with your on the left trackpad on the left mouse, and then you slide it open with your finger. And again, if you're having trouble, ask a parent, ask an older sibling. And then you click on it and you can drag it anywhere around. So that's how you insert a picture. And again, I put some pictures on the side. In case you don't want to insert any yourself, you can use the ones I put there for you. You can just drag them in. Other things that you can insert are the text box. So again, insert text box. And you're going to go right click and drag it open. So again, I'll do that again. Hit insert text box. You click it and your mouse becomes like this. You're going to left click and drag it open to make a text box. And then you can write in whatever you want. So you can say, come get great pizza. And I want that over here in this corner. And if you want to change the font, you can always highlight it and change it up here. There's that one. You can go up here and change the color. So again, right here is where you change the color. And I like that, but I also want to insert my hours because they need to know when I'm open. So I'm going to hit insert text box, put it over here. I'm going to write hours. I'm going to say Monday through Saturday. I don't want to work on Sunday. Let's do 12 p.m. so they can come for lunch to, let's say, 10 p.m. And again, I'm going to highlight, change the colors. And again, those of you who worked on your slides for the Black History Project might have a little more skill with this. If you have not used really Google Slides or Google Docs a lot, that's okay. Just experiment. This is your time to have fun with it. So again, I'm going to put my hours over here. Insert. I'm going to do another text box. I'm going to put my title or my name of the place right in the middle. Great Pizzeria. And whoops, I'm going to highlight that. And here's where you can change the size and make it nice and big. And again, I can pull it out here, put that right in the middle. You can change the font. Oops. But I want it to go across the whole page. Let's just keep it that. And then I can make it bold. How do I make it a little bit smaller? And I'll make it purple because purple is my favorite color. Oops. So I could do that. So think about some things that you see on an advertisement. I have my hours, but what about my address so people can come and find me? What kind of pizzas do I sell? All those important things that you would see on a poster. So make sure you're putting everything on there that you would like, and then any photos you would like. So again, this is just your time to experiment with these tools. Insert image, search the web, and insert text box. You can also insert shapes if you would like. There's some shapes down here. So again, just play with it. There's some word art. Yep, so if you click and you type up there, and then I believe you can change the color if you hit fill color. Yep, so you can play around with that. Again, this is your time to play around with it. Some other important buttons I want to point out is right here. See these two arrows? If you click something, say if I click this and I hit delete by accident, I'm like, crap, where'd it go? I don't know where it went. You're going to come up here and see this arrow. It says, when you hover over it, it says undo. You're going to click it, and it's going to come back. So anytime during this project, if you accidentally click something that you should not have, or if I have something on the slide and you click it and get rid of it and you say, oh no, I needed that, come back up here and click that undo button. Okay, that's how you can get back to it. So don't freak out if you accidentally delete something. And then, yeah, so we'll be doing this whole project for a couple weeks. There's one more tool I would like to show you. If I ever need you to make a duplicate of something, so make a copy of something, you are going to click whatever I need you to make a copy of. So we can click this text box and see how it highlights blue. You're going to right click on your trackpad. So on the right side of your trackpad on the computer, and all these options are going to come up. You're going to hit copy. Then you're going to click off of it so it's not blue anymore. You're going to go anywhere else on the screen and you're going to right click again and you're going to hit paste. See how it doubles it. It makes a copy of it. So if you need to make a copy, if I say make a copy of this and put it somewhere else, that is how you make a copy. So again, I'll walk you through it. You click whatever you want to make a copy of and it turns blue. So let's make a copy of this photo. So see how it lights up blue around it. You're going to right click. All these options are going to come up. You're going to hit copy. you're going to click off of the picture. So see how it's no longer blue. You're going to find anywhere else, and you're going to right click again, and you're going to hit paste. Again, we are going to be using copy and paste a lot during this project. So please, please, please practice this again on this slide. This is where you're going to practice your tools. If you need help, please let me know. I can video message you and talk you through it. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know. But this is the start of our pizza project. So your next slide, or the next task you're going to do is you're going to work on this on your own. And then throughout the week, I'll make sure to be posting videos to talk you through how to do each of these slides. But again, just today, you are only working on this slide. Oh, and then one more thing before I stop the recording. Do not hit turn in for this assignment. I will be able to see it. I will be able to make comments. You are not hitting turn in because you're going to be working on it every single day. So you're only hitting turn in on your assignment slides like usual. So don't worry about turning this one in every day. You will be seeing comments. So when we start going through this project, say if we're working on this slide and you got something wrong, or I need you to fix something, I might have a comment on this side like this. I might say, look at the first pizza. Make sure you have 5 pepperoni slices and not 4. I will put that comment here, so when you come back to that slide, you can see, oh, I need to check this first pizza. And then to say that you fixed the problem, you just hit resolve. And all gone. The comment's all gone. I know you fixed it. So again, when I put on these comments throughout the project, please make sure you're looking at them and then hit resolve when you fix it. All right, go ahead and work on this slide. Thank you.